7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that Fire Festival?
How does it look? You wanna do it?
So at Primer we have a concept of workation, and it's not really a full day work, but it's also not a vacation. So it's something in between. When we meet together, we work together, we have fun together, we bond as a team.
Repeat it like 5-6 times.
The most famous one is about how it feels to be powerless, like how it feels to be a child when no one cares about you, no one helps you.
But it isn't. So what exactly is bimodal behavior? Just waiting for the image to load.
Even light can escape it. We call that the excretion disk. And the radius of that excretion disk,
day on like adventure, you can like do South Africa. Boris, I mean, like that's it.
So last week we gathered with the whole orchestration team, which consists of multiple sub-teams in Munich for the workation together. And we had lots of fun, we had multiple team activities, we did improv, we wrote some small games for fun, but we also had a chance to look into our future vision of the team, we did retrospective of how we're doing, what we need to improve as a team. We planned together for the future. So it was a very collaborative, fun session, and also very productive for all of us.
Zdravo! My name is Boris and I'm from Belgrade, Serbia.
Bonjour, I'm Chris, coming from Lille in France.
Hello, I'm Mike and I'm from the UK.
Hallo, mijn naam is Arje en ek is van Kaapstad.
Привіт, я Юра з України. Hi, I'm Yuri from Ukraine.
No?
Yeah.
صباح الفل. I'm Salma from Cairo.
Hi, I'm Jess. I'm from Taiwan. 你好，我是陈佳云，我来自台湾。
Hi, I'm Ty from Cape Town. I'm new to Primer and ready to go.
Olá, I'm Francisco. I came from Lisbon, Portugal.
Merhabalar, I'm Onur. I'm coming from Izmir, Turkey.
Bună, my name is Darius and I'm coming from Bucharest.
I'm Danny and I'm from Wigan, UK.
I'm Dimitris, I'm from Athens, Greece.
Hello, I'm Euler. I'm from São Paulo, countryside in Brazil.
Magadini, that's hello in Shona. So I'm originally from Zimbabwe, but currently reside in South Africa.
Sziasztok! This is hi in Hungarian. I'm Zsófi. I'm from Budapest, Hungary, and I've joined Primer a few weeks ago.
Zdravo, ja sam Adem, dolazim iz Bosne i Hercegovine.
Sziasztok! I'm Gabor, I'm from Hungary, I'm from Miskolc.
Olá, I'm João, and I'm coming from Portugal, specifically from Porto.
I'm Mate, I'm from Budapest, Hungary. Weather for me, it's, nice, crisp, good day.
And my name is JJ, and I'm
based in Netherlands, originally from Gdynia, Poland. And I made this section to celebrate the diversity of our team. One of my favorite things working at Primer is learning and interacting with all different cultures. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get back to the video so we can finally learn what the hell we are doing in all those dancing and all the random scenes you see so far.
You're all here, and I'd like to welcome you to the yoga workshop. No. It's Matt Pilates. Not at all. Welcome to the Teamwork and Communication with Improvisation workshop. I'm going to show you what mirroring is. Mirroring would be if I'm the leader, then she will be following me as if it were a mirror. Exactly. Whatever is happening. We don't even need to use Romanian at all. I want you to use English, and I want you to ask him to translate into Serbian. I want you to give him words or phrases in English that he has to translate into Serbian. Things at him right now. Go!
I love to sing.
Volim da pevam.
Divided by 3.
Minus 7 to the
I like to jump.
Wait, we need to start from scratch. I got it now.
I can tell. All right, when you're ready, go for it.
1 plus 1. What's the name of your teacher? 1 plus 1. Name of your high school teacher? 2 plus 3. Eva. 2 plus 3. How old were you when you started playing football? 6 times 9. 54.
So you're going to be telling a story, and then once you see the spark in your partner's eyes telling you the story, once you see that spark, like, oh, they're excited to tell me more, you're going to interrupt them. All right? And you're going to interrupt them by asking them to tell you more about something else. So if she's telling me tell me about your daughter.
Oh. So she's like a unicorn. She's amazing. She's in the middle of her final exams now. She's so excited.
Tell me a little bit about taking exams. Now again, I asked the question about exams. I don't want the Wikipedia answer. I want your personal experience.
I have a lot of anxiety when I take exams. I get really nervous. I go in there, I don't know what I'm doing. I start to sweat. I feel like somebody's come in and put socks on my teeth.
Tell me more about sweating. So this is your company's museum. And it's very important. We want to make sure that we hold true to the company values and things that are important. Yeah, of course. So if I am a tree, let's have another person come in and add to that. Whatever you want to be.
On the top.
Excellent. I'm grass.
I'm flower. I'm the clouds.
I am the goat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bigger. Festival. Bigger, yes. Which one? Oktoberfest. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
You got it. Yeah, I think you got it. Yeah, bravo. It's a fire in the building.
Glasgow on fire.
To not drink again like this. You know what my dad used to say? You take the last biscuit. Before I left the house, and he would go, you, whatever you do, you take the last biscuit. And you know what? I think
Your time here, and yeah, don't forget to play. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. So, workations are a really important investment at Primer. Because Primer is a remote company, it's incredibly important for us to meet from time to time in person, to have that in-person relationships, bonding, and working together in the same room. This way, we get rid of silos, we have less friction, and it just makes it easier for people to work with each other day to day.
Cool. And the last one?
You have 2 hours, right? You're going to be working in so 120 minutes to burn Oreo tokens, come up with a game that at the end you got a demo.
The team from Fraser, they actually built a bunch of skills which are already in your .cloud folder. So there's CloudMD. You don't have to learn anything. You don't have to use JavaScript.
What lunch? Stroopwafel spin. And we thought about accessibility. So kick, 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 jump, 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 kick, 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 kick. Kick, kick, get up.
One new fountain.
Jump, jump, kick, kick. It's hard.
That's
hard. It's hard. It's not good to explain what you built.
Okay, so we built a twist on the Angry Birds game called the Angry Fonzie. And this is Cake Chris.
It's a winner. That's a winner.
Alright, next level is
Morris!
Whoa! Oh, you got it!
Alright, fourth level is Glasgow.
Okay, so this
Who doesn't want their own quiz, let's be honest. So, the first thing you have to input your name and the top. Maybe like this one. This one is very nice. This is our emoji.
The clear winner, enfin clear winner, the winner is the second one with the Angry Français.